Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, wait, what's this? A basketball? Wait, what's that? What? Dunkin'? What? Those are the, oh! 20 piece chicken nuggets, $4.99. That's what's McDonald's got it going on. Sadie Berry, look at all these sauces, man. She want me to dunk this nugget. I'm going to dunk it. Trying to pick my sauce. Honey mustard there. Wait, come here. You know what? In fact, Melissa B., I need you to open that for me. Hey, Melissa, what's happening? How you doing?
Christina.
What's up, Christina? Are you in there? Oh, McDonald's! Oh, yeah, no, that's the one. That's the honey mustard right there. All right, here we go. Thank you. Here we go. On the air, live. This is radio, real radio. 20 pieces for $4.99. Look at that. Dressed it up all nice and everything. Woo, 3D. Woo! And here goes the magic. This is when it works. McDonald's, 20-piece nuggets, $4.99. When you pick up yours, pick me up some too. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Check it out. A.D. Berry live on the air too. I mean, on the air. Hey, check out McDonald's and dunk your own. 20 for $4.99. Tell them A.D. Berry sent you. Look at all these different sauces, man. What's it? Sweet and sour, creamy ranch, buffalo, spicy, sweet, chili, hot mustard, tangy barbecue. All right, I'm all right eating now.